Okay, so I'm in Ubud. This is the Ubud Yoga House. You got yoga and meditation. So every day they got stuff in the morning, and they also got stuff in the Tuesday and Thursday afternoon, and they also have meditation as well. And a little thing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start here. That's the yoga house right there. But actually I just saw these rice fields, and just coming over here was kind of cool. So we're gonna try to capture all of this and just kind of show you what it all looks like, and we're just going to follow that path. It's pretty cool. So that's going to be the path that we're going to take all the way down that way. Okay, so we're going to follow this path right here, and you basically have like rice fields and just kind of cool buildings that are like in the rice fields as well, and then you have all these shops as well. Ubud Shanti Warung. Stray dogs. And then we're also going to have a lot of scooters are going to come by as well. Let's just try to get out of the way of the scooter here a little bit. Okay, so this is the pathway from Yoga House towards, we'll just kind of follow this path a little bit. And there's some pretty interesting views, and just the way the water is set up. And then, you know, even like you got the rice fields right there, and then you have the water that, I don't know, there's like a nice freshness to it. Fresh drinks. And you have all these warung restaurants everywhere as well, and guest houses in these little lanes too. Let me just kind of take a look at some of this. Oh, yoga bungalow. And then you have something right here. This is the one from artist from Mexico. What's her name? I can't recall her name right now, but I know she's one of the most famous American artists from New Mexico. Draws the flowers. O'Keeffe. Georgia O'Keeffe. If I'm wrong, let me know. That's a pretty cool space too. Got massage. Probably needs massage. Okay. It's kind of cool. They got the rice farmers right here too, right on the same path. Then you have a place, another warung right here, a restaurant. Kind of see where we just came from. Coconuts. And you can kind of see some views over there. I think we're going to get another view of those in a minute as well. Yeah, this is a really beautiful path. A lot of motor scooters though. And a lot of artwork too. Spas as well. A lot of spas. Pass. Okay, so you can kind of get a little taste of Ubud here. Gallery. Hello. It's pretty cool. Hello. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. And then in a minute we're gonna be getting to the gonna get some nice views to the right in a moment. The traveler. The only catch is you're constantly trying to be out of the way of the scooters. Traveler restaurant. Now we got these views over here for lease. So yeah, you can kind of see down and back up on the other side. Pretty cool. No shortage of cool stuff in Ubud for sure. Okay, there's a good view right there. Okay. That is nice. Too much to see in Ubud. I feel like I'm just scratching the surface. It's like it's not built like a traditional city, so it's just basically like that building is pretty cool. Like, look at that. Look at that building right straight ahead. Like that one right there. That looks so cool up there. Okay. So we are going to get a nice view in a minute here. So this path goes all the way down to the main areas as well. And I'm going to try to capture this right here. What a cool house. Okay, so a little slice of Ubud. And I don't know, I'm trying to decide if I should take you all the way to the, it kind of goes, look at the wiring right here, it's crazy. This street follows, kind of gets ugly before it gets right into the middle of everything, so I don't know if I'm gonna film all the way down, but I think I might just end it right here. But anyways, that's the yoga house. Walking down back into the main things and everything like that. And since this stretch should kind of stay the same way for a while, I think I'm going to end this spot right here. But at least you kind of got an idea of another little element of Ubud. Hope you like it.